Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to add signature digital on your Nitro PDF. So guys, if you want to secure your PDF and open your PDF and for example scroll down a little bit and click this option guys. After that click preview, for example write your name, for example this is my name, and click draw. For example, this is my signature, clear, and click just OK, guys. This and place your signature here, for example. And this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more tutorial and tips for Nitro PDF, and see you on another video as soon as possible. And thanks again. Any question guys down below and comment here, and I will happy to answer your question as soon as possible.